Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we are going to learn about trigonometry functions related to the quadrant. Okay, see here, look at the diagram. See here, I wrote four quadrants, right? So between 0 to 90, this is the quadrant 1. I can say 90 to 180 degrees, this is quadrant 2, and 180 to 270, it's a quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4, right? Since quadrant 1 is between 0 to 90 degrees, right? And the same way, quadrant 2 is 90 to 180 degrees, and quadrant 3 180 to 270, and quadrant 4 is 270 to 360 degrees. Now see here I mentioned all silver tea cups, right? So all in the sense, what are the functions we have? Sine, what are the ratios we have? Sine, cos, tan, cot, cosecant and secant. There are six, right? All in the first quadrant, in this first quadrant, all will become a positive here. All are positive here. So if you look at the sine 90 minus theta, which is called cos theta, and plus sine theta, plus cot theta, plus tan theta, plus secant and plus cosecant theta. Okay, let's try to understand this one. See here, I have mentioned 2 points. One is 0 degrees, one is 0, okay, another is 360. Okay, or else 90 minus theta. Whereas theta is, which is equal to theta, if I consider theta is equal to 0, either 360 or else 90 minus theta, all these cases we will get all are positive. See, we know. So first of all, this is 0 degrees, right? This x-axis will become 0 degrees and this is y-axis becomes 90 degrees, right? This angle will become 90 degrees, correct? So now let's talk about the 0 degrees. Let's suppose, see here, this vertical one is 90. So 90 minus theta, this before this all this section, see all this section is 90 minus theta area, right? So 90 degrees minus all this remaining some angle, right? Which is, I can say this whole area I can call it as a 90 minus theta, right? So see here, if I write sine 90 minus theta, so 90 minus theta will become theta here, okay, which means sine 90 minus theta will become cos theta. The same way cos 90 minus theta will become sin theta, because opposite to the cos is sine and 90 minus theta is theta, okay. The same way tan 90 minus theta, tan opposite is cot. The same way cot, for cot it is a tan. The same way cosecant to secant and secant to cosecant. See here, if you observe the sign, you all get plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cot theta plus tan theta plus secant theta plus cosecant theta. So this is about 90 minus theta. Or I can say this is 0 or 360 degrees, correct? This point, left point, I can say this is 0 or 360 degrees, right? This is green color one, 0 or 360 degrees. See this all yellow area, either it's 90 minus theta area or 360 plus theta area, can I say? So this is 360 again and plus adding extra, right? So this is 360 plus theta. So I can say that, so what I will get, sine 360 plus theta will become sine theta. Here I am not changing to the sine to cos, here it's sine itself, okay. In the same way, cos 360 plus theta, which is equal to cos theta, because everything is positive here. So in the same way, tan 360 plus theta, tan theta, secant 360 plus theta is equal to secant theta, everything will be positive. See, either here I can get 360 plus theta or 90 minus theta. This all yellow color shade quadrant area. Hope it's clear, right? So here in this table, either sine 90 minus theta, either this one or sine 360 plus theta. There are two things I have written here. Now I move to the second quadrant. Second quadrant is, see, this vertical one is 90 and this is 180, which means this second quadrant is between 90 to 180, either 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta, these two, right? Either 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta, correct? So for 90 plus theta, see, sine 90 plus theta will become cos theta. Same way, see, అయితే ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ సైన్ నెగిటివ్ సైన్ దేనికి రావాలంటే, see, the second quadrant is silver, just take the first letter only, S, okay. Only for sine itself it is positive, remaining all are it's negative. See, sine 90 plus theta cos theta, sine opposite cos, okay, and plus cos theta, and cos opposite is sine, but it's a minus sine theta. The same way, tan opposite is cot, minus cot theta, cot opposite is tan, so minus tan theta, and secant opposite is cosecant, minus cosecant theta. But see here, silver, S for silver or S for sine, if you do 90 plus theta here, you will get plus cos theta, right? In the same way, sine opposite to the sine is what it is? 1 by cosecant, right? Sorry, 1 by cosecant, right? So cosecant, 1 by cosecant theta also will get positive here. So sine and cosecant will get positive. So I have like mentioned in the bold one, right? Blue color one. So in this second case, only sine opposite to the sine is cosecant. Only those two have a positive. So that's why I mentioned silver. So silver is first letter is S. So just remember the S, sine. So sine 90 plus theta will become plus cos theta, and cosecant 90 plus theta is plus sine theta and opposite. And cos will become sine and tan will become the remaining all are like a negative. Now we had talked about 90 plus theta. Now I am moving to the 180 minus theta. The same quadrant. What is other one? 180 minus theta. Now see, 180 minus theta also only for positive approach of only sine and cosecant placed on it. So positive. But 180 ki kuda opposite change avadu. Cos sine cos untadi, tan cot untadi, cosecant ki cosecant untadi, secant ki secant untadi. Okay. But 90 plus theta వచ్చిన చూడండి, sin cos అయింది, cos sin అయింది, tan cot అయింది, cot tan అయింది, cosecant secant అయింది, secant cosecant అయింది, right? So what we observed in the first two quadrants, for 360 plus and 180 కి చేంజ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. sin sin ఉంటుంది, cos ఉంటుంది, tan ఉంటుంది, cot ఉంటుంది. బట్ 90కి వచ్చేసరికి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. sin cos అవుతుంది, cos sin అవుతుంది, రైట్? అలాగే ఆపోజిట్ అవుతుంది, tan cot అవుతుంది, cot tan అవుతుంది. Hope it's clear. Now I'm moving to the quadrant 3. Quadrant 3 is between 180 degrees and 270. Either it is 180 plus theta or 270 minus theta. Okay, either it is 180 plus theta or 270 minus theta. And third quadrant is, I call it as a T. T for first letter is T, which means tan opposite cot. Only tan cot మాత్రమే positive వస్తుంది. So see, I mentioned in the blue line, the yellow line. So I'm highlighting here. So remaining all are positive, correct? And see, ఇది 180 other than 180 360 లేదా other than that అని చూడండి. It's 180, right? 180 కి చేంజ్ అవుతుందని చెప్పాను, sin ఉంటుంది, cos ఉంటుంది అన్నాను. ఓన్లీ 90కి 270కి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, 180కి 360కి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ద సేమ్ థింగ్స్ ఏ ఉంటాయి. సో చూడండి, sin 180 ప్లస్ theta sin theta, cos 180 ప్లస్ theta cos theta, tan cot cosecant and secant. బట్ సైన్స్ మాత్రం మారుతున్నాయి. ప్లస్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, మైనస్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది అంటే చూడండి, tan is the third quadrant, right? Third quadrant all silver teacups. T అని అనుకోవచ్చు. T means first letter is T. Only tan opposite cot. So only these two, apart from these two, remaining all are negative. Only these two are positive. This is about 180 plus theta. And 270 minus theta ki ratios will change. Sin కాస్త cos అవుతుంది, cos కాస్త sin అవుతుంది, అలాగే tan cot అవుతుంది, cot tan అవుతుంది. But this is also third quadrant, right? So here also tan and cot, only those two are positive because third quadrant T and T for tan. So tan and opposite to the tan cot are రెండే మాత్రం పాజిటివ్ ఉన్నాయి, రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని కూడా నెగిటివ్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, బట్ ఇట్స్ 270, రైట్? 270 కాబట్టి sin cos అవుతుంది, cos sin అవుతుంది, అలాగే cosecant secant అవుతుంది, secant cosecant అవుతుంది, tan cot అవుతుంది, cot tan అవుతుంది. Okay, this is about the third quadrant. And fourth quadrant is lies between 270 degrees and 360 degrees, which means either 270 plus theta or 360 minus theta. Okay, these are the two cases. One is 270 plus theta or 360 minus theta. Let's talk about 270 plus theta. I told you, right? 90 ki and 270 ki change అవుతాయి. Okay, ratios. అలాగే 180 ki 360 ki no change. Which means change అంటే sin cos sin, sin ఉంటే cos అవుతుంది, cos ఉంటే sin అవుతుంది, tan ఉంటే cot అవుతుంది, cot ఉంటే tan అవుతుంది, like vice versa, etc. But no change అంటే sin కి sin ఉంటుంది, cos అవుతుంది. Now compare, check this angle. So 270 plus theta, right? 270 change అవుతుంది, so sin కాస్త cos అవుతుంది. అలాగే 270, all are 270, so all are will change. Cos sin and tan cot అయింది, cot tan అయింది, cosecant secant అయింది, secant cosecant అయింది. అయితే ఇది ఫోర్త్ కోఆర్డినేట్ ఎవరు చూడండి, కప్స్ సి ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఎవరు, సి. సో సి ఎవరు వస్తారు, కాస్ వస్తుంది, రైట్? సో సి ఫర్ కాస్. అండ్ కాస్ ఆపోజిట్ ఎవరు, సీకెన్. సో ఓన్లీ కాస్ అండ్ సీకెన్ ఆర్ ద పాజిటివ్, రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ నెగిటివ్. క్లియర్? So this is for 270 plus theta, whereas coming to the 270 minus theta, sorry, 360 plus theta, 360 ki change avutunda avatleda? No change, right? So change avvakapothe sin sine untadi. Chudandi cos cos undi, tan tan undi, cot cot undi, and so etc. like this, right? Now check the angle 360 degrees. So ratios and change avaledu, same unnai, sin sine undi, but we have to talk about the sines, right? So it's a fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is C cup. First letter C. So only cos, opposite to the cos is secant. So secant. These two are positive, remaining all are negative. So what are the important points we observed? For 180 and 360 ki ఏమవుతుంది? Sin ki sin అవుతుంది, cos ki cos అవుతుంది, tan ki tan అవుతుంది, right? In the same way, cot ki cot అవుతుంది, secant to secant, and cosecant to cosecant. Now ఇంకేముంది 90 270 కి వచ్చేసరికి, which means 90 minus theta or 90 plus theta or 270 minus theta or 270 plus theta. All these cases, sin becomes cos, cos becomes sin, and tan becomes tan opposite to cot, cot becomes tan, and secant becomes cosecant, cosecant becomes secant, right? And is 180 360 ki ela either 180 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 360 plus theta, and 360 minus theta. All these four cases loni sin sin untadi, cos cos untadi, tan tan untadi, cot cot untadi, secant secant, cosecant cosecant. But 90 ki 270 ki వచ్చేసరికి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది, sin cos cos sin, okay, and so etc. అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ 0 to 90 కి all are positive, 0 to 90 degrees వచ్చేసరికి all are positive. That's why I call it as all. Next, silver. So silver అంటే 90 to 180 quadrant. So 180 90 to 180 is S for silver, right? So S for sin. Opposite to sin is cosecant. So these two are positive, remaining all are negative. Okay, cups. All silver T, sorry, T cups. So T for it's between 180 to 360. Sorry, 270, right? 180 to 270. So T for tan, T for T, and T for tan. So tan. Opposite to tan is cot. Only these two are positive, remaining all are negative. And cups. C for cups is between 270 to 360. And C for cos. Opposite to cos is secant. So these two are positive, remaining all are negative. So forget about, just remember all these things. Okay. 360 ki 180 ki 360 ki same ratios ఉంటాయి, sin cos sin sin cos cos, okay. And 90 ki 270 ki interchange అవుతుంది. And quadrant, depending on the quadrants, 6 signs మనం పెడుతున్నాం, whether it should be a positive or it should be a negative. Okay, this is about the quadrant, okay, quadrants, and these are the very important things. You can solve it, but it's a very important point. Sin 15 is equal to cos 75. See this 290, it become 90. Sin 15 is equal to cos 75 is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Direct question. Okay, if you can solve it, but if you remember, it's fine, it's better. And cos 15 into sin 75, both are again still 90. See, పై దానికి కింద దానికి only sin is change, plus 1 root 3 minus 1, here root 3 plus 1. In the same way, tan 45 is equal to sin 15 by cos 15 is equal to 2 minus root. And this is cot 15 is equal to cos 15 by sin 15. Okay, 2 plus root 3. This is the formula. And sin 18 is equal to cos 72 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. And sin 54 by sin cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. And sin 72 is equal to cos 18 is equal to 10 plus root 2. This is equal to 10 plus 2 root 5 whole power of root by 4. In the same way, sin 36 and cos 54 is opposite to this one. So these are the very important. Not only this, below are also direct questions they can ask. Sin 22 half degree is equal to root over 2 minus root 2 by 2. The same way, cos 2 root 2 22 half is equal to opposite. tan 22.5 is equal to root 2 minus 1, cot 22.5 is equal to root 2 plus 1. Important direct questions, you can directly see these kind of things. What is the value of cos 15? What is the value of sin cos 22.5 degree? Okay, now let's move to the actual questions, how to solve it. Sin 210 degrees ఇచ్చారు. So sin 210 degrees ఎలా రాయొచ్చు నేను? Either 180 plus 30 రాయొచ్చా is 210, or sin 270 minus how much 60 రాయొచ్చా? Either is fine, right? 210 వస్తుంది రెండు కేసులో. నా రెండు సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ see sin 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta, which is visualize the diagram. So 180 this one, plus theta means third quadrant, minus means second, plus is third quadrant. So third quadrant, right? So third quadrant లో ఎవరు పాజిటివ్ ఉంటారు? ఆల్సో t cups, t only tan ఒకటే పాజిటివ్, మిగతావన్నీ నెగిటివ్. సో బట్ హియర్ సైన్ ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి పక్కగా ఆన్సర్ నెగిటివ్ లోనే ఉంటుంది. See 180 plus theta will become, and this is 180, right? 180 కి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది అవదా? Sin 180 కి 360 కి no change, right? No change, which means sin ఏ ఉంటుంది. సో sin 30 అవుతుంది, sin 30 అవుతుంది. బట్ థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ కాబట్టి థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో t ఫర్ tan తప్ప మిగతావన్నీ నెగిటివ్. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ -1/2. క్లియర్? సో నౌ లెట్స్ సాల్వ్ దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో. 270 minus 60. 270 minus 60 means which quadrant it is? The same, the third quadrant is also same quadrant. This is 270 minus 60 means it's left side, so the same third quadrant, this one, right? So 270 minus 60 will become sin 60. So not sin 60, sorry. 270, it's a 270. 270 ki 90 and 270, it will change. So sin kasta cos అవుతుంది అయింది, and 60 degrees అయింది, and third quadrant లో tan తప్ప మిగతావన్నీ నెగిటివ్ కాబట్టి నెగిటివ్. So cos 60 is 1/2 minus 1/2. Hope it's clear. Now I move to the next one, secant 315. So secant 315 ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? Either 180 plus 35, right? So we don't know the 35, so we can't write this. So what else I can write? Secant 360 minus 45 I can write, right? 360 minus 45, which is equal to 315. So now 360 minus theta, this is 360 minus theta is this one, right? So it's fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant means cups. Cups means, okay, so 360, right? 360 కి వాల్యూ చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. సో secant ఉంటుంది, రేషియో అయితే చేంజ్ అవ్వదు. ఓకే, బట్ యాంగిల్ ఈస్ 45 ఉంది. బట్ పాజిటివ్ అండ్ నెగిటివ్ అనేది డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద ఫోర్త్ క్వాడ్రంట్. ఫోర్త్ క్వాడ్రంట్ ఈస్ కప్స్, C ఫర్ కప్స్, కప్స్ మీన్స్ C ఫర్ కాస్, కాస్ ఆపోజిట్ అయితే secant, right? So secant, so it is positive. So 1/secant 45 is equal to root 2. So now next I'm moving to the tan 1485. So tan 1485. So tan 1485 ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? 1485 ని by 360 తో చేయండి, విల్ గెట్ 4 వస్తుంది, అండ్ సమ్ 45 degrees అంతా మనకి రిమైండర్ ఉండిపోతుంది. ఓకే, 360 into 4 చేయండి, 6 4 24, 3 4 12 and 14. సో ప్లస్ 45 చేస్తే 1485, కరెక్ట్. So it means this is the remainder. So ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? దీన్ని ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? tan 4 into 360 plus 45 degrees. Can I write this, right? So now this simple, it's 360 plus theta, which is like a 360 plus theta, which is 360 plus, this is 360 plus theta means this one, first quadrant. So 360 is 360 కాబట్టి చేంజ్ అవ్వదు, tan ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ కాబట్టి all are positive, right? So tan 45 everything is positive, so tan 45 is equal to 1. Answer is equal to 1. Now I'm moving to the next question, next type of question, sin 72 by cos 18. ఏదో ఒక దాన్ని చేయించండి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ sin 72 ని నేను sin ఎలా రాసుకుంటాను? 90 minus 18 అని రాసుకోవచ్చా? by cos 18. sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is first quadrant, right? First quadrant. This is 90 minus theta is first quadrant. 90 కాబట్టి sin cos అవుతుంది, 9 270 చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో sin cos అయింది, 18 అయింది. పాజిటివ్ నెగిటివ్, ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ ఆల్ ఆర్ పాజిటివ్ ఇస్ పాజిటివ్. సో డినామినేటర్ లో కూడా cos 18 ఉంది, క్యాన్సిల్ ఈచ్ అదర్, ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. Now See, next, moving to the next question. Cos 7 pi by 4. So 7 pi నెల రాయొచ్చు, cos 5 నెల రాయొచ్చు. 7 into 180 by 4, 5 into 180 కదా, 4 1 ja 4 4 16, 4 5 20, which is equal to cos 7 into 45. 45 7 ja 90 90 90, 270 and 315. So cos 350. This is called cos 350. So cos 350 నెల రాయొచ్చు, cos 360 minus theta 45, right? Cos 360 minus 45 రాస్తే cos 350 అనుకోవచ్చు కదా, అవుతుంది కదా. సో 360 minus theta, this is fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant లో cos 360కి ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి చేంజ్ అవ్వదు, సో కాసే వచ్చింది, కాసే ఉంది. ఫోర్త్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో కాబట్టి c for cos, it's a positive. So root over 2, 1 by root 2. So this is how you should supposed to do it. And coming to the next one, this is also very important question and easy also, but sometimes ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్ చూసి స్కిప్ చేస్తాం, మనం ట్రై చేసి వదిలేస్తాం. సో బేసికలీ ఇట్స్ వెరీ వెరీ ఈజీ. సి ఏటాడు కూడా చూడండి, all are in product, tan 3 so on, there is a tan 45 also is there, right, in between, and so on tan till 89, correct. Now see దీన్ని ఎలా రాసుకుంటా అంటే, నేను tan 1 ని కెన్ ఐ రైట్ tan 90 minus 89, అలాగే tan 2 ని tan 90 minus 88, so on tan 45, and remaining అన్ని అలాగే ఉంచుతున్నాను, tan 89, right? Okay, so tan 90 minus 89, tan 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta is 90, this one 90 minus theta is first quadrant. So 90 ki tan 90 కాబట్టి tan cot అవుతుంది, right? So cot theta అవుతుంది, and this should be a positive, first quadrant కాబట్టి positive. In the same way cot 88, so on tan 45, and so on tan 88 and tan 89, right? See cot ని నేను, can I cancel cot and tan, cot 89 and tan 89? Let's see, cot ని ఎలా రాసుకో, 1 by tan 89 అని రాసుకోవచ్చా, into దీని 1 by tan 88, so on till tan 45 up to tan 44 వరకు రాస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ, 1 by tan 44 into, okay, so it's tan 46, so tan 46, so on tan 88 and tan 89. So this one and this one, 88 cancel, 46 up to here it will cancel, only I am left with tan 45. So tan 45 is equal to 1. So answer is 1. Hope it's understand, right? It's a very very easy one, so remember this one. And also see, they can ask sin 1, sin 2, sin 3, all are in product, sin 1 degree into sin 2, so on till sin 180. How much they're asking. See, everything I'm forgetting, only I'm taking sin 180. So sin 180 నెల రాయొచ్చు, sin 90 plus theta, right? So which means sin 90 minus 90 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. Sin 90 plus theta is second quadrant, right? So second quadrant లో silver, okay, sin 90 ఉంది కాబట్టి it becomes cos 90, right? This theta will become here. So second quadrant కాబట్టి sin positive ఉంటుంది. So now tell me cos 90 is 0. So product of 0, this 180 becomes 0 here, 0 and everything will become, answer is 0, right? That's it, simple. Just in this kind of question, just think about one logic. If you are able to find that logic, then you can able to solve easily. Just think about the question, don't ignore this kind of questions, just think and get the exact point. Take time, 10 seconds or 20 seconds, just take your time and understand, apply all your concept on there. Now in the same way, see, all are in the products, cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into so on cos 90. So we know cos 90 is equal to 0, so 0 and everything will become 0, right? The answer is 0. So this is about, it's a very easy one. Now see here, this is also some kind of tricky question, but it's easy. what they asked, all are in addition, and moreover all are in squares also. See, ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే చూడండి, sin 1 to 89. So total 1 to 89, there are total how many are there? It will be 89, right? So okay, so but here they all are given, all are odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 87 and 89. So which means I have to divide by 4, right? By 2, right? So I'll get some 44 plus 1. Just forget about that sin 45. Okay, apart from the sin 45, you will get a remaining 88. Okay, if you subtract the sin 45 1 from 89, you will get 88. So 88 by 2, you will get 44. There are 44 terms in this equation actually. So now what I'm doing is I'm clubbing sin 1 and 89, sin 3 and 87, because these two becomes 90 degrees, right? 1 plus 89 90, 3 plus 87 90, and 5 plus 85 is 90, etc., etc., apart from sin 45. So I'm writing sin 1 degree, sin square 3 plus sin square 5 plus so on, sin square 45 plus so on, sin square 85 plus sin square 87 plus sin square 89. Now can I write sin square 1 is equal to, can I write sin 1 is equal to sin 90 minus 80, 89, which is equal to, this is 90 minus 8 of first quadrant, 90 will be 90 kabatti sin cos ayipotundi, and it become 89 and plus, right? So which means it becomes cos square 89, the sin 1, and the same way sin square 3 will become cos square 87, and this become cos square 85 plus so on, sin square 45 plus so on, sin square 85 plus sin square 87 plus sin square 89, right? Now see, sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? This first, this term and this term, it becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is identity number 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So this become 1. The same way this become 87 and this 87 will become 1 plus so on, sin square 45 plus sin square 45, correct? అయితే ఇలాగ ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్స్ ఉన్నాయంటే, సి ఇక్కడ టోటల్ మనకి ఎన్ని వచ్చాయి, 44 వచ్చాయి, రైట్? 44 ని మనం 2 చొప్పున యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం, విచ్ బికమ్స్ 44 by 2, విచ్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 22 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి మొత్తం, అంతే కదా? నార్మల్గా సింగిల్ సైన్, సి all this yellow, if I consider all this yellow becomes 1 total 44 are there, but what I'm doing, I'm taking as a two things. One is this 89 is a one thing, and this 87 and this one is a one thing. Okay, I'm clubbing these two as a single and these two as a single, I'm considering. So the total of 44 becomes 22, which becomes, there are 22 number of ones we are adding, correct? So there are 22 ones, 1 plus so on up to 22 terms, 22nd ones plus sin square 45. So 22 one add just a total 22 plus sin square 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square, right? So which is equal to 22 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 22 1 by 2. So this is the answer. So చూడండి, just is a some tricky ante. All are in addition, all are in squares. So sin square 1 ని నేను cos square 89 కింద కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను. Now it becomes sin square 89 plus cos square 89, which is equal to 1. ఇక్కడ నేను 2 కింద తీసుకుంటున్నాను కాబట్టి టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ 44 కాస్త 22 బికమ్ అయిపోయింది. సో 22 వన్స్ యాడ్ అవుతున్నాయి ప్లస్ sin square 45. You add sin square 45 also, the final answer is 22 1 by 2. That is the answer. Final value. Hope it's understand. If you're not able to understand, please comment in the comment section. I can explain again. Now in this section, I'm talking about the last question. See, the angles of triangle are x plus 5 degrees, 2x minus 3 degrees, 3x plus 4 degrees. Then value of x is అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం అడుగుతున్నాడు, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అనే పదాన్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ అని చెప్పలేదు, సో ట్రయాంగిల్ అన్నాడు. ఒక యాంగిల్ ఏమో x+5 ఇచ్చాడు, ఇంకొక యాంగిల్ ఏమో 2x - 3 ఇచ్చాడు, ఇంకొక యాంగిల్ ఏమో 3x+4 అన్నాడు. సో వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ x అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఇన్ ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ చూడండి, ఇంటీరియర్ ఆల్ ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్స్ విల్ బికమ్, లెట్స్ టాక్ అబౌట్ A, B, C. In a triangle, all the angles will is equal to 180 degrees. That we already know. We learned in the school days, right? So which means you have to add all the angles. X+5, 2x - 3 plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 180. So now x plus 2x plus 3x, which is equal to 6x plus 5 plus 4, 9, 9 minus 3, 6. Okay, 6x is equal to 180 minus 6 is equal to 174. So x is equal to 174 by 6. 6 2 is 12, 6 9 is 54. So answer x is equal to 29 degrees. So that is the answer. Simple, right? So this is about quadrant based, okay, trigonometry functions on quadrants. Hope it's clear, hope it's understandable. Only if you are able to understand this one, then you can able to solve very easily. If you're not able to understand, please revise it again, and if you're not able to understand, then let me know in the comment section so that I will explain again. Hope it understand. Thank you.